weight is evenly distributed and it doesn't feel like there's something really on my chest at all.
It's really amazing.
Hi, welcome to Tstand 2. Tstand was first designed primarily to watch movies in bed. As the design evolved, it became a truly multifunctional device. In fact, Tstand's reversible base is capable of 310 degrees of rotation, giving you the perfect viewing angle every time. There's no other tablet or iPad stand that can claim this kind of flexibility. It can be used pretty much anywhere. In a bed, at a desk, on a couch, in an airplane, car, park bench, you name it. Literally anywhere. Additionally, it can be used with almost any device. On top of everything, it's super compact and portable too. Tstand 2 is really the perfect companion to all your devices. On average, we use our digital devices for 3 hours and 15 minutes every day. The problem is that they aren't ergonomic and can cause a multitude of issues. Bad posture, neck pain, wrist pain, carpal tunnel.
Holding a tablet is heavy, it carries weight. I don't have to do that anymore.
The original Tstand was a huge success. We sold over 10,000 units and have hundreds of 5-star reviews on Amazon. We've returned with Tstand 2 because of all this love. We knew we had to come back and deliver something even better. Tstand 2 has some excellent upgrades. Our favorite is the new high-tech rubber coating. It's so smooth and luxurious. It eliminates all the squeaky noises and has a super high-quality feel.
It's like it's warmer almost. Like I like the touch of it.
It's got this nice little rubber, so it's not going to move. It's elegant and simple.
We've re-engineered the bottom hooks to be more supportive and way stronger so they can last a lifetime. The base is also much sturdier, and we've improved the engineering of the internal features too.
Definitely feels higher quality. It's really sturdy.
The good news is that we know what we're doing and we already have the tooling we need. We just need to make a few adjustments. All we need is for you to click the button on your right and support us. Let us help you to improve your relationship with your digital devices. Thanks for all the love and support, and we can't wait to get a Tstand 2 into your hands ASAP.